My competition is drone. My competition is robot tumpu.
My competition is CSI.
My competition is drone.
G-Robot, cabaran kereta roket.
G-Sky.
Siasatan jenayah.
Kejutan dunia.
My name is Chan Manvan. I'm from SK San Francisco as a 5 boys. We are bringing 28 boys today.
Cikgu Masrur Angadimin daripada SM Sains Johor. Kayaknya anak murid saya. Boleh. 44%.
Kaku sikit lah sebab kita pun nak prepare barang, waktu tak banyak dengan nak jahit lagi apa semua.
I think I can win.
I feel very excited. This is my first time going to an international competition.
Excited and a little bit nervous.
I have been trying my whole this year for robot tumpu.
I am excited but I'm scared because I'm not that ready.
Tapi shaking lah sikit control robot tadi. It's a 50-50 lah.
Overall kita okey lah. Tapi cuma coding tu ada sikit kesalahan.
In the working together process, I felt frustration.
Bagi saya, CSI ini mencabar dan banyak gunakan logik akal.
During the training round, I was a bit nervous lah because I've never done this before.
Itulah saya harap mereka menang lah kerana ini membawa nama sekolah kan. Saya buat ni untuk mengurangkan daya tolakan dia. Di sini untuk beratkan lagi dia supaya dia tak tergolek.
Saya membina kereta roket menggunakan polystyrene yang dia telah disediakan dan bersama dengan tayar. Kemudian saya potong mengikut bentuk yang disuruh.
They give some sort of powder, so you need to figure out what is the powder. So that's the hardest part.
In my opinion, finding fingerprint is quite hard because it's human fingerprints.
Kita kena cari bahan bukti. Kalau bahan bukti tu salah, kita akan dapat jawapan tu salah.
But then eventually I got it lah. I managed to knock down the target 3 times.
Maybe we can win because for fastest programmer, we already get first lah.
Tapi Alhamdulillah, lepas lah dapat lah kita cakap depan judge, tak adalah kaku mana.
And I personally feel that this is a good exposure for our students since they can get them involved with all these roboticals and the coding, all these which is not being taught in school level, but when they join this competition, they are being exposed to this.
So not only like showcase that science is fun, but also to like bring out their talent.
Kita dapat meluaskan murid-murid kat bidang-bidang teknologi.
Sebab bila kat sekolah tu belajar guna buku kan. So kat sini mereka belajar di luar kotak.
Untuk siapa yang nak join next year, jangan takut. Kita join dengan kawan-kawan. Kita belajar slow-slow, sikit-sikit, nanti kita faham lah.
Kita mestilah bersaing sihat untuk mendapatkan juara.
To the juniors, you need to be prepared and enjoy your journey making the innovation. Untuk junior-junior, korang kena berlatih dengan lebih kerap lagi.
We like to thank to our parents actually who support us. Without them, I don't think so we can come here so far.
So really hope Teklimpi ni akan teruskan lagi lah untuk masa akan datang.
Thank you, Teklimpi.